She's a dolphin, kind and true. She twirls and spins in ocean light. Her fin shines silver, pure delight. She flips up high, then splashes down, wearing bubbles like a crown. Come and dance, she calls with glee, to all her friends beneath the sea. The turtles clap, the fish all cheer. Dolly Dolphin's dance is here. The jellyfish glow, pink and green, the prettiest show you've ever seen. She spins through coral bright and tall, making circles big and small. The octopus waves every arm, joining the dance with gentle charm. She leaps through waves so fast, so free, spreading joy across the sea. The crabs tap claws along the sand, a dancing band beneath the land. Through seaweed bars she darts with grace, a happy smile upon her face. Seahorses twirl and starfish sway, all join in the ocean ballet. She jumps through bubbles in the sun, gliding quickly, having fun. The dolphins echo joyful sounds, spinning, twirling all around. From dawn to dusk she leaps and plays, making magic in ocean bays. Clap your fins and sing along, join the dolphins' happy song. Bubbles rise and waves all sway,